What's up guys, it's that time again. It's time to talk about Google. Google is looking to come back and fix all the mistakes they made last year. I mean, the Pixel 4 has been a failure of last year. Nothing can justify the lack of ultra-wide angle lens, the poor battery life, a not so bright display, no 4K 60 FPS when the hardware is clearly capable. It really wasn't a great year for Google, but now Google is starting to learn from their past mistakes. Yes, we are months away from the official launch of the Pixel 5, but the leaks are already starting to happen. Since the Pixel 3, Google devices have been the most leaked smartphone. They even get released in the market even before the launch event. There were YouTube reviews of the phone. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. Nothing can beat the leaks of Pixel flagships. So it has begun. We have the Pixel 5 coming courtesy of Front Page Tech. We've got a brand new look of the back cameras that kind of look like a bathtub notch on steroids. This is a prototype design. It's not entirely confirmed whether this will be the final look, but it is looking different from the other phones. And it is interesting because Google is finally bringing triple cameras for the first time, thank God. Wide, ultra wide and zoom cameras will be there, a complete camera system with LED flash, and there's another sensor that we can see that could be a depth sensor or the laser autofocus. Pixel devices have always been really good when it comes to smartphone photography, but the video department has been severely lacking. So this time around with Snapdragon 865, phones can shoot 8K videos, so I really hope Google brings something crazy to the video performance as well. Now on the front we have a forehead design. It's a bit slimmer than the Pixel 4. This forehead is obviously for the Project Soli. All the radar and stuff will go inside there, which is why they're not doing the punch hole design that they're gonna do on the Pixel 4a. Yes, one of the most exciting Google phones of the year, aka Pixel 4a, will be coming soon with a punch hole design. It's gonna rock mid-range specs, but with a flagship Pixel 4 camera, all for just $400. The Pixel 3a was a great success, and same can be expected for the Pixel 4a. Again, because of Project Soli, Google will most likely not gonna be using the punch hole design. Again, things can still change because we are very far away from the official announcement, which is going to happen towards the end of the year. Aside from the design of the Pixel 5, I would really like to see a bright display, something that can match the brightness of Samsung devices with 120Hz refresh rate and of course 5G ready. Also, Google has released the developer preview 1 of Android 11. Yes, your device might still be running on Android Pie or it just got Android 10, but Google is already launching and working on the next big Android version. It's got a lot of new changes. I will be making a dedicated video for a full review of changes, so make sure to subscribe for that. So yeah, this is how the Pixel 5 could look as per the latest leaks. Again, we'll see how the development will go. Let me know what you think about the design, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.